Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Manscaped not turning on or working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Manscaped here, it's not turning on or working, generally speaking here, well in this case there are going to be a few things that you need to do. So first is you want to check the battery. So in this case, you want to check if it's fully charged. Now, these streamers use a rechargeable battery. So in this case, you need to plug it in with the charging cable. And in this case, make sure that it's actually the one they gave you. And also, if you're using a different one, make sure it's compatible. Now, let it charge for a few hours. And also make sure charging port and cables are clean. Sometimes like a little lint or dust can mess up the connection. So make sure it's clean. And also the touch points here, make sure it's also clean. Now next is you want to check the power switch here. So if it's actually in the on position, or in this case, this one is kind of obvious, but it's easy for you to get or accidentally turned off. Now, next you want to do is you want to look for any damage. So you want to give the trimmer a good once over. Now in this case, do you see any cracks, broken pieces, or signs of water damage? If it looks damaged, it might need to be repaired or replaced. And also clean it up. So hair and gunk can build up on the blades or motor here that in this case can stop it from working properly. Use a little clean brush that came with it and clear out the buildup. Now if it's really stuck, you can even use some compressed air to blow it out. And also you might want to check the blades. Now sometimes the blades are misaligned, so the trimmer won't work right if that's the case. So user manual will show you how to adjust them if needed. And also you might want to try resetting them. Now some models have a reset button, usually a tiny pinhole on it. So you need a paper clip or something small to press it. Now again, depending on your in this case model you have, check your manual to see if this is an option for your model. Now if this doesn't work, it's best to consult or contact customer support. Now, if you've tried everything here, it's best to contact customer support so that you don't break or, in this case, cause more issues on your device. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.